Morning guys. About 8:10 Sunday morning. Just going to go for another local potter. That wind is bitter cold. And I have brought my ear warmers today. So I think they will be going on at some point very soon. You'll have probably seen all these before, just like a normal. But, as you say, if you're out, you're out. Bonus. But I am going to have to put these head warmers on. Let's get down onto the muck track. And we'll definitely be putting them on. So I think we'll just go down up and use them. Cat Place, Bomber, Oldfield, Penningston. I think. Wasn't going to go further, but it's bloody cold. It's not the cold that bothers me, it's the cold on the battery. So I think that's plan of action for today. So this is what it is. I've had it, must be 30 years, not even longer. You'd probably be lucky if you can get one. So it keeps your front of your head warm, keeps your ears warm, put your helmet over the top, bish bash bosh. Keep my lobes warm. Keep my lobes warm. So we're in February now. Wow. Where's time gone? Where has time gone? So only maybe another 2 months. February, March, maybe April. Then we'll start getting into better stuff. Once it starts getting warmer, we can start venturing that little bit further. Like I say, it's the battery you've got to worry about, because you can lose 20-25% out of it in cold weather. So once that changes, we're in. So, local potter, me talking shit, enjoy. Legs are tired today. Just better weather comes. Bright evenings. Start getting a bit more riding in. But I really didn't want to come out. But you've got to do, haven't you? Get off the paw. Just push yourself to do it. You'll say no so many times. And that'll be it. You won't go out no more. Got a mate like that. He's not been out for like 3-4 months now. 4 months. If you don't push yourself, you might as well quit, sell them. I know if I didn't go out for a couple of months, I probably won't be getting back on it, which means I'd probably sell it. Legs will get motion soon, then all will be good. Your batteries in your derailleurs. Charged that up yesterday. Been quite a good couple of rides since last time I put out in it. I know they're good for like technically 1,000 miles, because you only use it when you push your button. But I thought I'd better revamp it before going out, because that's the problem with electric gears. Your battery goes, you don't have any gears. So maybe down the line I'll pick up a spare. I'll probably never use it, but it's just safe to have one. Just had there's a rider up in front of me up here. Don't know where he's going. He'll probably be going down Newsham. Look at these cows here. Big bloody arms on them, look at them. You can see that. That's big buggers. Exactly. Not sure now where he's gone. Couldn't see him down that gate. He was probably in the EMTB or turbo. Whereas I'm making it to have a workout today. So as it stands, knees are fine. Elbows fucked, but knees are fine. That's a racer what's been up here as well. I think I've overdressed on top half again. Oh, jeez. I have to unzip the underlayer. Underlayer, not underwear. Mind out at gutter. Sun's just trying to come out. You see it coming through the sky slightly, through clouds. Apart from the wind, it's glorious, and look, it's dry. It is actually dry for once. I'll just get this in before I forget. 155 crank arms. For the Bosch Gen 3. 4. Gen 4, sorry. In Bike is where I got them from. In Bike. Cheap as chips and do the job. I do have a big Allen key in my backpack, which I always have, because on the Cube they always come loose, and the locking ring onto the front ring always came loose on my Gen 4 on the Cube. 2 Cubes did it. So I just like to be cautious. Front ring you can't do naught about, but at least the Allen key bolts in the arms you can. But if they do come loose on yours, put it back on and use blue Loctite. It's absolutely perfect. Now then, yeah, Loctite, blue Loctite, absolutely brilliant. Won't come undone again, lad, but it will come undone if you want it to. Don't use red, you'll never get it off. See how muddy we are today up here. Too bad. Just don't go on right hand side. When I did it, whoa, it was like a foot deep. So the sun is shining. Absolutely beautiful. Still cold. But we're out, we're doing it, we're having it. We're fucking having it. We're having it. Beautiful. For all used to the lazy gits who decided, yeah, get out of bed, get on your bike and pedal. I've passed 2 mountain bikers so far, all out by themselves, rocking it and rolling it, so there's no excuse for you. Look at this. Look at this. Stunning. You can't see far. I definitely have a house in the middle of that little wood there. Definitely. Off grid. I mean, there's a house in there, like, but. So if the house wasn't there, yeah. Off the grid, in there, happy days. Happy fucking days, mate. So we'll go down here, we'll turn right this time and go past where the bomber went down there. And I need to do something about this back brake, it's never been right. Get some fine sandpaper, degreaser, go around the disc and put new pads on. I think that's the plan of what I'm going to do. I think there's a red van here. I could see a red van. And we're looking through woods up there. But yeah, no pedal catch on these arms, guys. So far, touch wood. Touch wood, all good. 28 quid, 4 quid postage. You're welcome. Looks like a tree came down there, it's been cut up. Well, there's a house up there, looks like it's getting can't work out if it was either already there or it's getting done up properly. Can't decide. It's full of scaffolding, there's no windows in it. It's definitely fucking getting gutted. That wind's picking up now. Holy balls. So, been in tow all the way. So, just keep a 86% battery left, 6.5 miles in. I'm in no race today. I'm just out toodling, pottering, and possibly when I find the chance peeing. So I don't know where I'm going, but I'm sure you'll find out. Right now I'm right above Pondon, where the reservoir is. So I got pain at the side of my groin. I don't know if I've pulled it or what. A bit uncomfortable. Anyway, let's see where we're going. Give you a clue. No, I'm not doing a 1,000,000 mile one. but we'll see where we're going. I know. So, where am I? Where am I going? After having a local potter, decided to venture over to Lancashire just to do one thing and then go back and carry on with my local potter. Just to build a couple of extra miles. Someone's been up and down here and flattened it. Normally it's very unsafe. That's an awesome little bell, by the way, guys, if you're after something like that. Morning, ladies. Good morning, good morning, good morning. EMTB. Drop it down 3. Drop it down 4. Now normally, as you know, we would go that way, but we may already used 20% to get here, and it's cold and my toes are fucking freezing. The plan is in 1.25 miles, I've not been here for a while, so I thought it was time to revisit and guess what? I got a wagon wheel, and guess what? I brought a drink. I know you're shocked, I can tell, but I have. Ooh, speed bump. Who in God's name would put a speed bump there? I don't know how deep this is. Morning. You alright? Not bad. Ooh, that wasn't there before. Nice. Oh, little log cabin up there. That looks nice. So you might as well stay on all the way until we get there. might as well. I wonder if there's going to be anybody down here, to be fair. Being so early and all. Just running it down here in eco. And then we've got to go back up there. Oh, ducks on little crossing. And there we go, we are just about there. Been a while. A year and a half ago I came down here walking with a mate of mine. There you go. Wycoller. Beautiful. No noise or nothing. Can't pedal over this bridge. It's very unsafe to walk over, let alone ride. I have to say she was very happy. Very happy. Didn't even look at me to say morning, miserable cow. So we'll go up this way. We'll come down the other way then. If we can get through, that is. Morning, you alright? Good. There we go, it looks like coming down from this end. let's go up this way. Oh look, there's an old bird. I cycle around my crib. Lovely and quiet with miserable people. What more can I say? So just doing the long, slow 1.25 mile climb back up to the gate hole, and then having another 3/4 mile climb up to the main road, and from there fair flowing, in it, with all that rain we've had. So then from there we'll head down to Pondon Mill, go up round that bit, through Stanbury, Penningston, Haworth, then back onto the other side of the valley to Oakworth. I just looked at my clock and I thought, no way, it's like 2 minutes to 10. Man, no way, dude. For some reason I thought, I ain't been out that long, but yeah, I've been out like 2 hours. Nice houses out there. And that doggy said hello to me. Yeah, he barked twice. Hello, hello. Believe what you want to believe. Or he said fuck off. One or other. But that log cabin up there is a bloody beauty. I'd have one of them easily. I'd have one of them. The plan is I'm going to move house, job, and nobody is going to know where I work or where I live, apart from the odd selected. I'm going to drop off the grid slowly. And Toby, you know what we're thinking about anyway, later on down the line. But yeah, they slowly drop off grid. Certain people you don't want to know what you're doing, where you're living. To drop off grid slowly and ride. Just ride. Mountain bike, countryside, live the dream. Don't do what Labour wants you to do. Fuck them arseholes. What a set of knobheads. Fucking government party. Labour. Don't get me started. Don't get me started. And this country were ruined enough. And sure as shit, Labour's come straight in with a rocking ball to ruin it even more. Anyway, why you want to get out of country? Move to Finland or Bulgaria? 2 reasons. Labour are wankers and they put your panties down in the street. And secondly, Finland, Bulgaria, cheap living, house prices. I could afford one now, you know, so no brainer. Anyway, let me get up here and have an heart attack in 2 strokes. I'm dying for a vape. I don't bring it with me though. There's a good one for you. Water Board is putting water up this year by 26%. 26 fucking percent. You're still not going to bath more. You're still not going to flush toilet more. Wankers. So, turn your water off outside on the road. Tell them you don't have water coming into the house. Get a big barrel. Collect water. Fuck your eating. Don't need it. Buy bottled water. And if you're a member of a gym for a tenner a month, go down there for your shower. I'm sick to death of giving this country fucking money. Sick of it. What's your thoughts? Let's bring Guy Fawkes back. This goes on forever. Does this, but I came down. It really does go on forever. Anyhow, just getting back up to the main road. Head back past the grouse. Actually no, not going past grouse. I apologise for that. I turn right in the fork in the road, but don't turn left. Don't turn left. Okay, fair enough. Picked up G81. So we're back down this way now, heading down towards Pondon Reservoir. Not a very safe road up there for a biker. Right. Right, we'll get across this bridge, yeah? No cars coming. Happy days. Head round Reservoir, get my back suspension on, get my front one on all the way, I think, yep. So yeah, I thought I might as well just extend it a little bit, go back this way. That tree's been picked up anyway, so yeah, go back this way, over Penniston. Oh no, tree's still there. Better just get out of Eco. Ooh, look at that. This is going to be fun. Oh no, we're all right. We're all right. Had a vision now, get one going to open and I'm going to struggle. mud off my shoes and try and start up here. Always fun, innit? We're up. EMTB. Wow, I'm up in smallest cock, biggest cock on back. Oh, wow. Mind you, I do have a 36 teeth on front, which gives it a different ball game. Electric gears, baby. Up in biggest ring, smooth as a baby's bum. So, just heading towards the chicken farm. I won't even call it a farm. I won't even call it derelict. I'd call it whatever's before derelict. So, head there, up, across. We're up on 15.5 miles so far. Hopefully if we can just take it over 20 miles, I'll be happy with that. I'll be happy with that. Apart from the wind, it's not bad. Stanbury Reservoir now. I think we'll just cut across the bottom at Moor there. Go up that way. So we're on 66%. On a summer's day we'd probably be on 78, 80. So yeah, I just go this way. Then we'll get right up on the Penistone and give it a wrap up. 17.5 miles in. It's going to be probably what? 2021 by the time I get back. So that's not bad. Not bad for a winter ride really. I'm down for a pee, but there's fucking people everywhere. God damn it. Can't win. Wow. Oh, look, more people. To complain I'm on here. And it's a bridle. Makes you laugh, doesn't it? Here, just to come out there. That's what you call making a long job out of a short trip. Have a climb just to come out, literally there. Where would the fun be just going there though? Do this. We've done a little bit more climbing, so it's all good, absolutely good. I've got my EMTB turned down. Not in the biggest ring yet, but if I wanted to put it in turbo, you were saying that I've got turbo turned down to 60 Newton meters, just to give me that bit more, but not to kill me battery neither. Come back down at the at all. Uh-oh, people. What's going on, man? A bench there, right on edge. Wow. So there you go. That's the road we would have gone on. But the road there is where we're going to go down. Just for extra mileage. I got some bacon at home. I'm going to have myself some bacon butties. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so I'm going to wrap it up here. We've just got on the other side of that valley to go to get home. We're 18 miles exactly in, probably going to be 21 by the time I get back. And yeah, it's been a nice ride. Everything's been fine, toes cold. But that's it, just the toes. Breezy getting up now. Bit of a wind picking. But no, it's been grand. It's been a nice little ride out, just what the doctor ordered. Just what the doctor ordered. So, yeah, so don't forget guys, subscribe. Don't forget to follow. And while you're at it, like it. Okay? And I will keep doing it. Okay? Here's times when I do go out on the bike and I don't take the camera. And I just take the odd picture, put it on my Facebook. You know. But yeah. Don't forget, we're 3 people away from 1,000 members on the Facebook channel. So get your ass to Mars, okay? Get over there. Start, become a member. Ask permission, I will accept it. Become a member. 3 people away from 1,000. So, fingers out of your ringers and ring a ding ding on that members button. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out. Take care. Ride hard, ride fast, ride safe. See you on next one. Oh, did I tell you summer's coming soon? See you later.